Hey guys, I'm going to show a video on one of these Harbor Freight special air compressors that stop pumping air. Pump still runs, but does not pump air. These things have a problem with the rad valves in them going bad. So we're going to rip off the top here. What we're going to do is first we're going to loosen up pressure line. Make sure your air tank is drained before you get involved in taking this apart. It's pretty simple tear down. Disconnect it here, pick it up off. It's gonna be a gasket. You'll see the valve plate, and look at that. You want to inspect to make sure no little pieces fall down inside the cylinder. This one does not look like we have any shards down inside. I'm going to replace both of these. You can see they start to get pretty brittle over time. This probably has, maybe 20 hours on it. Replacements. Got them taped to a piece of paper here so we don't lose them. What you gotta do, drop the replacements down inside the little holders. Clean it off here. Get it lined up so it doesn't get pinched when you put it back together. And that's it. Put the top back on it, tighten it back up, you'll start pumping air again. At least something to check out when you're having problems. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day.